अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आप देख रहे हैं गुराया स्पोर्ट और मैं हूं फ़िदा हुसैन। और आज बात करते हैं पाकिस्तान और साउथ अफ्रीका के माबैन जो प्लेइंग 11 होनी चाहिए, बेस्ट प्लेइंग 11 पाकिस्तान की क्या होनी चाहिए, उस पर बात करते हैं। पहले ओडीआई मैच में अगेंस्ट साउथ अफ्रीका। तो लेट्स सी स्टार्ट। Pakistan and South Africa coming up ODI series, and in South Africa, definitely Pakistan tough condition against South Africa. In South Africa is a top quality wicket and very good bounce in South Africa pitches in Australia and England and New Zealand. These countries are very outstanding pitches, and I hope for Pakistan good performance against South Africa. And best playing 11 for Pakistan is open the bat for the Pakistan side, Imamul Haq and Fakhar Zaman. The Imamul Haq is a wonderful cricketer, is a definitely good performance for the last couple of matches in Pakistan side, and especially in ODI matches is a definitely good average and 50 plus average, couple of 100 and couple of 50s, and good left-hander batsman Imamul Haq and partner Fakhar Zaman. He's outstanding cricketers, very handy players, a very big hitter of the balls, definitely very good strike rate for Fakhar Zaman. And number 3 for Pakistan side, Babar Azam, the Pakistani captain, is outstanding player, is a good average, wonderful ODI player in all over the world cricket history, and definitely in Pakistan side main striker batsman. And number 4, Mohammad Hafiz is a very good experienced cricketer. Plenty of cricket played in Pakistan side in long time played Pakistan side cricket. So definitely good hitter of the ball. The last couple of T20 matches, the performance outstanding by Mohammad Hafiz. Definitely big hittings improved from Pakistan side. In last year T20, the leading run scorer in Pakistan side. Not only Pakistan side, but all over the world leading run scorer Mohammad Hafiz in T20 format. And number 5, Mohammad Rizwan, wicket-keeper batsman, is outstanding with the bat from last couple of matches, in test matches, in T20 matches, and outstanding performance, a very good improve the batting in Mohammad Rizwan in New Zealand condition, in Pakistan against South Africa ODI and T20 in test matches, outstanding performance by Mohammad Rizwan. And number 5, Haider Ali is a very young talent for Pakistan side, definitely big hitter of the ball and good striker. And number 6, Fahim Ashraf is a good performance for the last couple of matches and very good all-rounder, improve the batting in test matches, in T20 matches, very good and good striker of the ball, left-hander batsman. And number 8, Shadab Khan is the vice captain of Pakistan side and leg spinner, is a good from Pakistan choice from an ODI side, and with the ball and with the bat is good performance in Pakistan side, definitely PSL matches. And number 8, Shaheen Shah Afridi is a main striker bowler with the new balls, a very outstanding ball with the new balls and very good pace of 140 plus, close to 150 is outstanding pace in T20 format, and ODI consistency average 140 is a very good left arm fast bowler. And number 9, Hassan Ali is a very handy player, a very good fast bowler and good comeback in team in test matches against South Africa and T20 in PSL matches performance well, and with the bats a very handy and definitely the outstanding cricketer, very energetic guys by Hassan Ali. And number 10, Haris Rauf is a very good produced by Loud Qalandar, the good pace and 140 plus pace and good performance in PSL matches and Big Bash League, and a very outstanding fast bowler, and especially in death over and with the new ball, with the death overs, a very outstanding bowling by Haris Rauf in T20 format, and good from Pakistan is a very good chance from against South Africa with the Haris Rauf, with the new ball, with the death over. And number 11 from leg spinner Usman Khader is outstanding against Zimbabwe in PSL matches. Against South Africa is a very outstanding bowling. I feel best playing 11 for Pakistan against South Africa and first ODI.